First time check. Naglalag ako sa lobat ng cellphone ko. 10, 11 na. At kagigising lang. 10. Gawin natin yung recipe ng ChatGPT. Tapos ito tong peanut na to. So, i-boil ko na lang yan. Then yung broth yan, o yung sabaw yan. Yun yung panggawa natin na panghalo natin mamaya ng coconut milk or coconut powder. Pang gata. Guys, pinaprito ko na yung manok. So, sineparate ko siya. Una. Then, hugasan ko na. Then, palagay ko na rin doon. Hugasan ko na. Stock fresh peanut. Not all na to. So much. Ay, mong linaw, pre. Yo guys, what's up? Oh my god, there's nahilo. Alam niyo bakit? Tignan ako sa bahay magdamag. Hindi ako lumabas. Dang. I feel it. Magdamag lang ako sa laptop. Because I streamed. Of course, hindi dito sa channel na to. Same, I feel it, man. I'm blacking out, man. I don't have enough exercises. I have exercise. I did exercise a while ago. 10 push-ups. And right now, I'm downloading the GTA 5. Of course, this is not a croc. As you can see, this is not a croc version, man. GTA 5, man. I think I should not close the door. See that thing? 200 Mbps, and I'm downloading it. I need to download 112 gigs. I'm talking in English because, you know, Dude, I'm like being starting to become really a content creator because I'm speaking in English. Not really, but because a while ago, of course, for the my other channel or the other channel is about gaming, and of course I'm speaking in English because of course my target is um, other people, not only the Filipinos. Then I'm trying to talk in English to enhance my communicating in English because this is needed for, of course, in getting a job or interviews. Oh my goodness, English! Oh my, oh. And yeah, what's all? What what did I do? After eating, then I started to live stream. Then 4 hours live stream, and while streaming, I eat. Of course, talk to the viewers. Then I need to toothbrush later on. Then what's more? Push up. Of course, I need to rest my eyes too. So I just stretching. I push up, get water, then eat my lunch around 2 o'clock. That's more than I stop around 4 something like that. Then I rest and I started delete the Valorant because Valorant I'm like, if I just have extra storage, then I will not delete, but I can download it. Think so because I have, if this is 112, then I have only have around 20 gig. Oh my god, I cannot download it because Valorant is, let's say, rounded up in 50 gig. Then what's more? should I delete to the further? That's the only game offline here in my. No. Let's do. Let's go to the Steam and go to the library. Then check Left 4 Dead 2. I think this around 10 gig. Let me check. Set. Should I uninstall it? Survive the bossing campaign. Dang. Grave robber. Collect 10 items. Trap. For knock off heads, 18 infected with gloves. Catch grab. Open 5-foot lockers. Price chopper. Survive dead center. Armory of 1. Deploy an ammo upgrade and have team music. Rob zombie. Collect 10 vials of boomer. No, I think so. I'll delete this now. I can download it. I have internet. Hope I don't jinx it. Am I done? Of course, I'm installing. Yeah, for the installing Left 4 Dead 2. Left 4 Dead 2. Damn, they play 113 hours in Left 4 Dead 2. I have only played 31 hours. How about Grand Theft Auto? 66 hours or 64% content? try to play Firelight. Okay. Cry of Fear. I think I'll download it soon. For the 2 is 13 gig, or let's say 14 gig. So it's 13.93 gig. Of course, if I'm talking to viewers or talking to you like this video, or I'm speaking or talking, I need the water because my tongue or my mouth is it fast to dry? No. It easy to dry, but it's wrong grammar, but you know, it's English. 13 gig, okay, that's okay for me. Free is 91, okay, that's okay. I just need 188 200 Mbps. Okay. 24 minutes more, around 9. Then I'll set up. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to role playing or RP. So while waiting, I'll watch. You know what? I'll start. I'll start to learn about my course IT. Cybersecurity. Oriental Monkey. Damn, capture the flag. Damn. What? Let me watch this. This, ano?
This video is for demo and educational purposes on EM of the flies. Let's get started. Let's check our target IP by typing netdiscover-i ETH0.
It's MAC address 1.
And just to make sure, I'll be using ping command.
So this is how to hack.
And now, let's scan our target using Nmap tool. Take note. Feel free
So
to
I'll
use
just
your preferred switches
video
to scan our
later on
target.
again.
I'm not gonna.
Good night, guys. See you again tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Peace out. Can I time check with this phone? No, it's low, but damn, son. It's 11 o'clock. No. Ayoko na mag-English. Wala na. Wala na yung ano. Hindi na dumadaloy. Okay. Ano naman? Ano bang ginawa ko? Tapos ng GTA 5, then tinroubleshoot ko lang yung Rockstar Launcher. Kasi nagloloko din. Yung, na ako, peace out. For always. God bless.